Hey everyone, so today we are starting our theater room setup. As you can see, we got the projector, we've got it on the screen. So now we're gonna measure. I'm just making a board to set our projector on so that it's all level and it's not falling off of that shelf. We're putting the Xbox under here for now until we make something better to put it on. Now I'm taping so that we can paint our wall the best color for the projector. This is what we used. It was Glidden. I think we only paid like $15 for it from Walmart. That was like half the price of everything else that we saw people using. So yes, we painted the inside of the projector, and now we're taping it again so that we can paint a border around it. We're gonna actually paint the whole wall black. We thought it would make it look a lot clearer and sharper. So now we're taping to do that. As you can see, the wall is now black. All we have to do is remove the tape and see how it looks with all the lights out.
Babe, it should look